Yes, guys, once again, I'm back. I'm in Spain today, still exploring this beautiful place, beautiful town here, beautiful city, Bilbao. It's an amazing place. So I'm just walking around, enjoying the street walk. Amazing, beautiful place here. And like I said, I will be taking you around the world to see different cities, different towns, different countries. So just subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything new, and hit the notification button so anytime I upload the videos you will be alert, you will know. So feel free to like, share, comment anything you like to see. I will be letting you know the next places I'll be visiting, the next towns, next cities. Okay, so today is just a vibing video, connecting video. Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Richard, but how are you? I'm live on YouTube. Wanna say hello?
Hi, people.
Yeah. I just met a friend on the street. Yeah. Scoby travel. Yeah.
Welcome to
Amazing
Bilbao.
guy. Bilbao. Main man in Bilbao. Amazing. Thank you, brother. One love. Yeah. Yeah. So it's an amazing place here. Like I said, so let's vibe. Let's talk. Share your thoughts about the channel so far, what you think about the channel, what you think I should be covering more. Let me know. Like I said, it's just a passion channel for, I love traveling, so it's a passion thing that I'm just doing. It's not about marketing anything, just about what I love. I do what I love, traveling, seeing beautiful places, exploring new places, seeing how different cultures do their things. You know, I'm from Africa and I see most of strange things and new things around the world. So it's fun, by the way, it's very fun. Yeah. Seeing different cultures every now and then, new ideas, new things. It's fun. Yeah. So let's vibe. Let's go down in the comment, talk, share your thoughts about the episode, Bilbao, Spain. Wow, guys, this place is so amazing. Yeah, it's beautiful, as you can see, all the way. Such amazing place. Yes. So this will be the first time that I'm doing a long live stream. I haven't gone live for a very long time since I started the channel. I've been doing short streams, but this is the first time that I'm doing this long. But I'm still trying to figure out how to use YouTube. It's not easy, yeah? Yeah, I've been trying to go live, but it is hard. So I'm trying to find a way how to stream, even if I can record and then post it later for you guys to see. Yes, so I'm still learning about YouTube, so bear with me. Nothing like fancy editing, nothing. Yeah, the channel is just raw. Everything about the channel is just raw videos, no fancy editing. So if you're someone who just loves something raw, natural, the way it is, then this is the place for you. I record it the way it is. No editing, no adding any sugar, adding salt to it. Just me, the way I am. Yeah, guys, this is Bilbao. You see the streets, very clean, very nice, yeah? And the buildings. Bilbao is just a beautiful, amazing place to visit. I'm really impressed with many things here. Huh? No litter around, just nice place here. Yeah, so let's walk around. We see new things. I don't know where I'm heading to, but it is very nice. Very quiet. My country should be like this. We are heading this very soon. Nairobi is transforming. Nairobi transformation is happening very fast. The governor is working, because I see the street, the pathways are just like of Nairobi, but we still have a long way to go. Not very long, but we are catching up very soon. We're gonna be there. People here obey traffic rules. No skipping traffic lights here. I did that first time. I skipped. I didn't know. I just walked through, and every stop, even if it is short mile traffic light, you have to stop. Just don't walk around, moving around. It's prohibited here. Yes, this is Bilbao. A very clean place, very good, beautiful place. I can turn back on my camera. You see where I am right now. Very lovely. I don't want to wander so far, I get lost. Yes guys, hey, subscribe to the channel if you are watching this for the first time. Subscribe to the channel, Scoby Travels. Like, share your thoughts about the channel, about the content, about the episode. Like I told you, here people obey traffic rules, not just crossing, running around. You have to check the green light and then you go. Yeah, it's fun doing this, guys. Bringing you new places every now and then. This is very fun. And I have episode I did in France coming soon. I haven't uploaded that yet. France, I was in France 2-3 days ago. I will be sharing that with you guys after finishing this episode of Spain. Like I have said, I'm still figuring how to use YouTube. I'm not pro at this. So improvement, every day improvement, little improvement, one step at a time. Wow, guys, I wish you were here. I wish you were here to see this. Huh? Just look at the view. Look at that view. Huh? Very lovely, very beautiful. Look at the view. Very beautiful, yeah? See. This is very nice. Yo, senor.
Yo, what's up?
How are you, senor? Say hi, say hello, say hello.
Say hi to your vlog.
Yeah, man. How are you, sir? Yeah, this place is very amazing. Yeah. So it's still walking up. Going up. Very nice. Beautiful place to be. Hello guys. Yes, once again. If you are joining the channel now, this is Scoby. I'm in Spain today, 11th of August. Subscribe to the channel hit the notification button if you haven't done so, so we enjoy the amazing traveling episodes together. This is Bilbao, Spain, a very beautiful place, very nice as you can see. Yes guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button. I will be bringing you more episodes about new places, new towns, new countries that I'll be visiting very soon. Share your thoughts about the video, about the episode, about the channel. Yeah, let's grow together. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you.